Hello everyone. Question is question 1 is if 9 raised to n into 3 to the power 5 into 27 cube divided by 3 into 81 raised to power 4 equal to 27, then the value of n is, then the value of n is, and the options are A 0, B 2, C 3, and D 4. So let's solve this. We know this 9. We can write this as 3 square whole raised to n into 3 to the power 5 into 27 is nothing but 3 cube whole power 3 by 3 into this 81, it is square of 9, and 9 it is square of 3. So 3 to the power 4 whole raised to 4 equal to this 27, it is 3 to the power 3. Now power of power, we can multiply the power. 2n into 3 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 9 by 3 into 3 to the power 4 4s are 16 equal to 3 power 3. Now here the base is same, so we can add the powers. So we will get 3 to the power 2n plus 5 plus 9 by 3 to the power, here power is not mentioned, so power will be 1 plus 16 equal to 3 cube. Now we get 3 to the power 2n plus 14 equal to, here 3 to the power 17 by 3 cube. Now multiply this, we get 3 to the power 2n plus 14 equal to 3 to the power 17 into 3 cube. So we will get 3 to the power 2n plus 14 equal to 3 to the power, base are same, so power will get added 20. Now the base are same, so powers are also equal. This implies 2n plus 14 equal to 20. 2n equal to 20 minus 14 gives you 6. So n equal to 3. Option C is the correct answer. Hello everyone. Now next question number 2. Question number 2 is if 2 raised to n plus 4 minus 2 raised to n plus 3 equal to 3, then n is equal to, then n is equal to, and the options are 0, 2, -1 or -2. So here we have given 2 raised to n plus 4 minus 2 raised to n plus 3 equal to 3. What we will make, first of all, either we can split the powers or we can make the powers equal. We can write this as 2 raised to n plus 3 plus 1 minus 2 raised to n plus 3 . Okay, so we will get 2 raised to n plus 3 equal to 3. Now we can write this as 2 raised to n plus 3 into 2 power 1. Since the base are same, so we add the power, same way we split the power, minus 2 raised to n plus 3 equal to 3. Now in both the terms, 2 raised to n plus 3, 2 raised to n plus 3 is common. So take 2 raised to n plus 3 as common. We will get 2 raised to 1 is 2 minus 1 equal to 3. Now 2 raised to n plus 3 equal to 3. From this, we can say 2 raised to n into 2 cube equal to 3. 2 raised to n into 8 equal to 3. 2 raised to n equal to 3 by 8. Sorry. In this question here it is 2. So n plus 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2. Now we can take n plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 raised to n plus 2 equal to 3. 2 raised to n plus 2 common, so we get 2 square is 4 minus 1 equal to 3. We get 2 raised to n plus 2 into 3 equal to 3. 2 raised to n plus 2 equal to 1. Now we can say 2 raised to n plus 2 equal to 1 is anything raised to 0. So we can write this as 2 raised to 0. Now if base are same, we can equate the power n plus 2 equal to 0. This implies n equal to minus 2. N equal to minus 2. Option D is the correct answer. Now next question number 3. Question number 3 is question number 3 is if 2 raised to n minus 1 plus 2 raised to n plus 1 equal to 320, then n is equal to dash, and the options are A 6, B 8, C 5, or D 7. So let's solve this. 2 raised to n minus 1 plus 2 raised to n plus 1 equal to 320. Now in division, powers get subtracted. We know this rule. Plus 2 raised to n into 2 to the power 1. When base are same, power get added equal to 320. 2 raised to n, 2 raised to n is common. So we get 1 by 2 plus 2 equal to 320. Here we get 2 raised to n into 2 to the 4 plus 1 5 by 2 equal to 320. Now 2 raised to n equal to 320 into 2 by 5. This implies 2 raised to n equals to 5. 6 are 30. 5 4 are into 2. 2 raised to n equal to this 64. it is 8 square, and 8 is 2 cube. So we can write this 64 as 2 cube whole square into 2. 2 raised to n equal to 2 raised to 6 into 2. 2 raised to n equal to 2 raised to 7. So n equal to 7. Option D is the correct answer. Now, next question number 4. Question number Question number 4 is, if 3 to the power x minus 3 to the power x minus 1 equal to 18, then the value of x to the power x is, and the options are 3, 8, 27, or D, 216. Now, 3 to the power x minus 3 to the power x minus 1 equal to 18. We can write this as 3 raised to x minus 3 to the power x upon 3. Since we know a to the power m divided by a raised to power n equal to a to the power m minus 1 equal to 18. Now 3 raised to x take common, so we get 1 minus 1 by 3 equal to 18. 3 to the power x into 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3 equal to 18. So 3 to the power x equal to 18 into 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2 nines are. 3 to the power x equal to 3 square into 3. 3 to the power x equal to 3 to the power 2 plus 1, that is 3. This implies x equal to 3. We want the value of x to the power x. X to the power x means 3 to the power 3. 3 cube is 27. Option C is the correct answer. Now, next question number 5. Question number 5 is if x equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, then the value of then the value of root x minus 1 by root x is, and the options are A 1, B 2, C 2 root 2, or D 3 root 3. So let's solve this. X is given as 3 plus 2 root 2. We want the value of root x minus 1 by root x. So taking root on both sides, we get root x equal to Next question is